This here is Jinx. Jinx is a 9-year-old domestic shorthair. He's a gray and white kitty. You can see he's very sweet and affectionate. He likes to be touched and petted and played with. He was very happy to have me groom him and furminate him. He's just happy as a clam to be petted. Whatever kind of contact he can have, he loves. He's a really, really nice kitty. He's been here since April of this year. He was brought in by his owners, who unfortunately could no longer care for him after they moved. So if you're interested, come take a look at Jinx. He's here at the Maryland Heights Humane Society, just waiting for his new forever home. He's a sweet, affectionate guy, and he would make a great pet for anybody. Give us a smile, sweetie.